looks clear.
Mhm.
At least from here.
How's 2 looking? Can we see it? Is it at all just...
Looks clear too.
Okay.
Fortunately, there's not much you can see on
No.
the outside, but I did see them in there at the top earlier before we left, so
Mhm.
I'm gonna assume it's clear. Uh, there's a sniper, top
Where?
floor, tower 3. Range
Okay.
400. He had a 50 cal. It looked like some big ass gun, and it did not look friendly. Cause I don't think any of us had a gun like that.
Well, I've got a
Definitely
300
not.
win mag, so...
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh! Fucking roll! That's an M107.
Told you a 50 cal.
Woo. Right, what did you say on the range was?
It's 405, I think. Let me check one more. Yeah.
2.2.
Never mind. I'm not checking. I'm just gonna go. Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Holy fuck, that hurt. You want me to throw some smoke and distract him?
Nope.
What?
He was using the explosive rounds and shot the barricade in front of himself.
Are you serious? Damn, dude, I really wish I saw that.
Oh, fuck me, man. Oh, why am I... what's my instant replay button?